Hey folks, hooked on SoCal out here at Huntington Beach on a beautiful, beautiful Monday afternoon. Just check this out. Look what an amazing day this is. Very, very light wind, very, very small waves. Just such a chill, relaxing day. Absolutely incredible. We're gonna come out here and do a little bit of surf fishing, see if we can't catch some I'd love to catch some Corbina. Supposedly reports have been that there's Corbina around here at Huntington Beach. I personally have not seen any yet, but maybe they're there. Yesterday I went out, it was not such a great day. Lots of gelatinous jelly stuff was in the water, a bunch of seaweed, so not a great day. I'm hoping that was because of the wind, but we're coming up here on high tide in about an hour. Very high tide, 6 feet. So hopefully hopefully that'll get us some good fishing today. So we'll see. Let's go check it out. Look at that. How cool is that? So pretty, huh? I don't know if this one is alive or not, but let's toss him back in the water. Who knows what'll happen. All right, so we take the sand crab here. This is its head. You can see its antenna and so forth. This is the tail, and usually there's a little white spot right here on kind of the center back of its body. That's where I like to hook it. Push it in the shell all the way through, and you gotta convince it to come out the other side. This guy's a little bigger than normal, so I try to get it over the shell a little bit, something. Now you can also see this orange stuff. Those are eggs. That's gonna make this guy particularly delicious, and they're gonna be tripping over themselves to get this. If you can find one with roe like this, that's definitely the preference. So I usually try to get the hook outside a little bit so that it gets something to get some purchase on, and then we'll see if there's a channel out here yet. The tide is still coming in, so we'll just see what happens. There should be a little bit of a channel right in front of us, but we're just going to walk along the beach until we find something that's biting. I know that some people throw it out and just leave it. If you know that there's a hole where fish are holding, that's fine. For me, I slowly reel it in to try to cover a little bit of ground until I find a spot, and then I'll just keep casting back into that spot. This is what I was afraid of. This is that same stuff as yesterday. Look at this stuff. I don't even know what that is, man. All I know is that it is not a fisherman's Flynn. There's no fish that's gonna bite that. What's that? No, I haven't gotten a bite or anything, man.
Yeah, it's kind of rough right now.
Yeah, what's this jelly stuff that's out there? Holy crap. I was down there last night, and every time I would reel in, completely cover. I called it quits after like half an hour.
Yeah, it's pretty bad right now too.
Hey, you haven't seen anything?
I've seen them.
Yeah.
It's just like, I mean, Sight fishing is completely out of the question, like, because you're only seeing them for like half a second.
Yeah.
You just see their backs out when they run away.
Yeah, yeah.
But yeah, I'm just throwing it around.
Yeah.
I don't really expect much right now, but
Yeah.
they're definitely here.
Man, I wish I could find them.
Yeah, right. Maybe kind of a hot spot for them. This is where I was seeing most of them.
Oh, really? In this kind of flat area?
They'll be right here. Oh, right there. You see that?
Oh, yeah. No.
Yeah.
Wow. Seriously?
Yeah.
Dude, you're right. There's no chance of getting a cast on that, is there?
Oh, yeah, you'll see them, but it's like it's too late.
Wow.
By the grace of God, if there's like a lull for a second,
Yeah.
and I see a cruiser, it might work, but sand crabs definitely might get.
Dude, I had no idea they came that close.
Yeah, you'll see. Like sometimes they'll be like,
Wow.
they're completely out of the water.
Because all the Corbina I've ever caught have been kind of like in a trough or, you know, whatever, just fishing like this. But, you know. Hey, good luck to you, bro. Oh no. Wow, that is a big surf perch. Holy crap. But I think my reel got hit by a wave and it is feeling totally screwed up right now. Not good. There's a hit. Nope, didn't get him. Got him. Wow. Look at that. Holy crap, dude. Hey. It's a surf perch. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, they're fun. Props to Bobby the fly fisherman. I'm just throwing it out here in this little flat area and just letting it sit, and they're coming up and hammering it. we can do it again. Got him. Another decent size perch. Man, let's go. Okay, look at that. Huh? Tap. Got him. It's not huge, but it's something. Where are those Corbina? Wow, that dude has another hook in his mouth. He has been caught before, didn't learn his lesson, came back for a second time. Let's get this old hook out of his mouth too. There you go, my friend. You are hookless and free. Did my good deed for the day. This is a rusty hook that's been in there a while. All right, we're gonna wrap it up for a really fantastic session. I think I had 7 or 8 perch, and 3 of them were quite big for out here. Normally I don't catch them that large, and they just kept hitting it. So it was a great session, a lot of fun. There was one very specific spot that they were holding in, and to the left of that and to the right, not so much. And walking back to my car, I tried fishing down the beach and wasn't getting any bites. So it was just that one spot, and the reason that I was fishing there, I talked to that one guy, but I could see the Corbina up in the shallows. So that, boy, that was the key, man. Boy, that was fun. Those are some really big perch. I mean, not like 18, 20 inches, not like that, but those were in the 13 to 15 inch range easy. So anyway, thanks for watching. Appreciate it. Hope to see you folks again. All right, take care.